City Square. This specific area is the future home of Unum or something like that. And within a few months, they're supposed to be opening their doors. No. Nothing changed. Literally, nothing has changed. The garage that's supposed to be 60% demolished, still there. Mall, still there. They're making headway, but apparently there's a lot of asbestos and lead paint abatement that they weren't expecting. Well, I guess there is some sort of progress, and that's about it. So I can't say nothing has been noticeable. They've torn a big hole through the what used to be Filene's, and they're gutting the building out there. So there is some progress, just you don't really see it too much. Sorry about the wind. As we round the corner, maybe we can see if anything's happening to this garage. Oh, there's a big block there covering something. And doesn't look like much of anything. Here's this end of the parking garage, which should have been gone a long time ago. The red section. And I believe you can see right there, that's where the quote-unquote red number 1 Montgomery was. It's probably sitting at the bottom of the pit right now. So there is some progress, just hard to find it. And that'll be it.